In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily make a simple but effective whip pan transition in Adobe After Effects. As you can see, I've got two simple clips set up and ready on the timeline. First thing I'm going to do is go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer. Then position the blue playhead between the clips where the cut happens and move 5 frames to the left by pressing Page Up key 5 times. Then bring the start point of the adjustment layer, aligning it with the blue playhead. Go back to the cut point and this time move 5 frames to the right, pressing Page Down key 5 times. And bring in the endpoint of the adjustment layer. Now the adjustment layer is 10 frames in length, and we can start applying effects. Go to Effects and Presets window, search for Motion Tile, add it to the adjustment layer, then search for Fast Backsplit and also add it to the adjustment layer. Then head over to the Effect Controls, place the blue playhead at the beginning of the adjustment layer, create a keyframe for Tile Center, move forward a bit, and depending on the direction you want to go, just play around with the Tile Center. In my case, I wanted to go to the right, so I'm going to decrease the X value, so the video shifts to the right, so keep decreasing it until you get one full cycle, and then you just properly align it by rounding up the number, so it should be minus 960. Then press U on the keyboard to see the keyframes on the timeline and move the end keyframe to the end of the adjustment layer. For the fast backsplit, first of all, make sure that repeat edge pixels is checked. The blur dimension, set it to horizontal if you're making the transition to the left or to the right. Iteration, set it to 4. Then move the playhead to the beginning of the adjustment layer. Create a keyframe for blur radius at 0. Then move to the point where the cut happens. Increase the blur radius. I'm going to set mine to 100. That should be good enough. Then go to the end of the adjustment layer and set the blur radius back to 0. Then press U 2 times to see all the keyframes. Drag and select them all. Right click Keyframe Assistant Easy Use, or you can press F9 as a shortcut. Go to the graph editor. If your graph looks different, right click, make sure in Edit Speed Graph. Then click away, select the tile center, select the first point and drag its handle to the right until influence is roughly at 70-71%. And do the same with the other one and drag it to the left until it's at 70-71%. Then exit the graph editor and the whip pan transition is done. It's that simple, and let's check it out. As you can see, just like this, we've been able to create a simple but effective whip pan transition really easily, just 2 steps needed in Adobe After Effects. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you did, please give this video a like, really appreciate that. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.